Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or off Do Not Disturb mode on iPhone. If you want to turn on or turn off Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone, so you just need to follow some steps. Here you have to scroll down and scroll up your control panel. I'm going to scroll down it, and here you have an option of focus. Just tap on it, and here you'll get the option of Do Not Disturb. If you want to turn on it, so you just have to tap on it, and here it's been turned on. Now go back, and here you get the moon icon in the upper side of the screen. So it means your do not disturb mode and turn on. If you want to turn it off, so you just need to repeat the step. Just scroll the control panel down, tap on it, and here you have to tap on it again to turn off do not disturb mode. So that's how you can turn on or turn off do not disturb mode on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.